Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty with my son Aiden here from the xking.com, and we're going to have another video here, how to install the Skyline build to Kodi 17.6. I'm going to show you the fast way of doing this, but first, before we do any of that stuff, let's go through the build. The build looks okay, a little different than the other ones I've been dealing with, but here's your TV, movie, your favorites, Kung Fu Theater, Black Label TV, Library, Retro, 4K, you have the Urban Channel, Anime, Fitness, Kids, Food, a lot of stuff. That's freezing up a little bit. But the one, and I love the animations below. You can have media, which is YouTube here, 8 more APKs. And the cool thing about this is, if you go to, yeah, man, if you go to TV portal, which is all TV shows, if you click on this, you get a nice thumbnail outlay of all the videos, or all the TV shows. So give it a second here. It shouldn't take that long. Should take that long. And let's see, coming up soon. It is loading up all, yeah, man. It's loading up all the TV shows and videos here. It should be coming up pretty fast. It's taking sweet time. Once the guys start slowing down dancing, it should be done. I know, right? I know, man. It's still not pulling up. It was pulling up a minute ago. I know, man. There you go, buddy. I don't know why it took us so long, but it worked earlier when I did it. Let's go back. And you can go that way too. Here's the movie portal. Let's try the movies first. I just downloaded this maybe 5 minutes ago. So again, these builds take a little time to get used to, take time to upload everything, download all the updates to it. So I'm trying to show you the thumbnails I just had up here. But I promise you it ain't take this long the first time. It's taking a long time. And I hate the fact that it did it now, but earlier it didn't do it at all. So I can't stand that. But it is what it is. It works, but you can also hit back as well. Hope it didn't freeze up. But some they said it did freeze up. Hope it didn't freeze up here. I would suck. I went ahead and exited out and force closed it. It got stuck for some reason, and I don't know why, but earlier it worked. So let's try this again. Go to the movie portal. Let's try it one more time. But like I said, the first time I used this, it worked just fine. Don't know why it's not working now, but let's just give it another try here. And I'm trying to pull up the thumbnails of the videos of the movies on here because they worked. I mean, I don't know why it's not working now. Maybe my internet connection is going slow. Who knows? But it worked earlier. So I give it a good minute. My son said, hurry up. I said, I know. Okay, now it finally pulled up. And these are what I was talking about earlier, that the thumbnails, it looks pretty good. Yeah. And again, it's not the fastest build. You know, I guess it is what it is. Yeah, my son said, yeah. But these are the movies here. Nice thumbnails. But let's hit back. If you hit back, it should pull up another. Yeah, man. Here's back. If you hit back anyway, it pulls up movies and TV shows as well. So you can also pull up movies and TV shows that way. But let's show you how to install this build. Very interesting build. It's decent. It works. Yeah, let's show you how to install this. But before we go ahead and install this, just one thing you must know: you must have file linked. Okay, and most of my videos I've gone over how to install file linked, but in this video I'm not gonna go over how to install file linked. If you do not know what file linked is, it's an app will help you download this build to your Kodi. And if you don't have file linked, look below the video. I have a link to file linked. You click that video in a new tab, and you can watch that video, how to install file link. Then watch this video, how to install this build to this Kodi 17.6, which is very, very easy, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this one clean and show you how to install it. All right, in order for this to download correctly, you need file linked. And again, look below the video for that link, for file linked, how to install it to your Fire Stick. Very simple. I'm gonna try and make this video very long because it takes a while to download this. So let's go into file linked, which is right here. And the code or pin, whatever you want to call it, will be below the video as well. So look below the video for all the links, all that good stuff. So it's still loading. I uninstalled Kodi. It takes forever to get back right, but just give it a minute. All right, once you get into file link, you need a code. This code does not require a pin. All right, so the code is 858. Oh, I'm sorry about that. It is 858-10914. Again, that will be below the video as well if you want the code. So we continue here and hit dismiss. And this is electrical MD Super App Store. This is not my app store. This is his app store, and I have a link to his YouTube channel below the video as well. So please check his channel out. Sub to his channel and my channel as well. So what you need to do is go down here to the Xeon build right here and download it. It should be Kodi 17.7 with the Xeon build built in. This will make so with this, you don't need a URL to put in, you don't need a link to put in, you don't need to add source, any of that good stuff. All you do is download this, and should you uninstall Kodi, I would. I don't think you need to because it overwrites it, but I will still do it myself. I'll go ahead and uninstall the Kodi I have and install this Kodi, okay? So once it's finished downloading, click the play button, and we're going to install this one. Now again, if you have Kodi already on Fire Stick, I will go ahead and uninstall it. Okay, this makes sense. You put a brand new Kodi and brand new build on it. Go ahead and uninstall the old one and then install this one. So this one makes installing Kodi much faster. So if you was jailbreaking somebody's Fire Stick and you wanted to hook it up anyway, you could use this build and do it. I'm gonna show you why in a minute because it's very simple. There is no link to put in. There is no installing repo. There's no going through the wizard. None of that stuff. It's just really just installing this one time, and once this opens up, it will pop up the menu for you and download it instantly. I'm gonna show you how in a minute once this thing pulls up. So this is for people who want to do it really quick, who does this for on the side or something like that. This is what you do. As soon as it opens up, don't even move. Don't even do anything right now. Give it 5 seconds, and you have the menu pop up. Okay, hit continue. Build menu, and you want to go to Boogie Skyline build. And hit fresh install. And hit continue, and that's it. And that's how you install it. Make sure once done installed, you force close Kodi, of course. But this makes it very easy and very fast to put a build on Kodi. If you're jailbreaking somebody's stick, or if somebody asks you, okay, can you put Kodi on here with a build? I will do it this way. It's much faster. There is no getting the link, putting the link in, save it, download it, uninstall repo, get the wizard, get the bit. That takes too much time. This is way faster. Just doing it all in one, way faster. Okay, so that's how you install the Skyline build to Kodi. That's it for the video. And again, if you don't know how to install, if you don't have file link to your Fire Stick, below the video have the link to that, have the code link to file link as well. Also a link to Electrical MD's YouTube channel. Also have other links as well as my blog, as my social media, and also how to make money online with YouTube and how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So you want to start a business online, look below this video for a lot of information. below this video, okay? TopTheDeskKing.com. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.